Let's talk lighting, because believe it or not, lighting is actually one of the most important aspects of a successful video chat. Talking to somebody in poor lighting can cast shadows on your face, making it very hard to see, hear, and connect with you. Fortunately, you don't have to have your home office lit up like a movie set or buy any specific lighting rig, but let's start with what not to do. Number one, I want you to avoid backlighting. Sitting with your back to the window will cause your camera to expose the light. It will make you look like a silhouette. We won't be able to see your beautiful face. Instead, I want you to flip your situation so that you are sitting in front of a window. Natural free sunlight is often the best source of lighting for video calls. It will make you beautifully soft lit. However, if you have a little more money to invest in and you want to opt for devices like a softbox or a ring light, the benefit of an external lighting kit is that you can take video calls well into the night without having to rely on harsh overhead lighting.